So when people feel like they have a label, I have AD, I have this, ADHD, blah, 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 it reduces ambiguity. And most people experience ambiguity as painful.
Yes.
Kind of when I have to sit with my emotions
Hmm.
or when I have to experience my emotions. For us, for people who think like I do, family systems, our emotions are human.
Yes.
So it's our human, are beautiful, I want
Hmm.
to say, are
Yes.
truthful, are honest.
Hmm.
We, for the most part, people who have depression have earned it. It's
Hmm.
not their own personal doing. It is, a response to a troubled context.
Hmm.
Once you start to really see our distress as interpersonal, it automatically depathologizes it.
Yes.
So automatically, so once you know that, young people who are dealing with, or, even grown-ups who are in a relationship and they might be a parent, a couple, an adult couple where somebody is experiencing depression, I know with 100% certainty that when I see the couple, if somebody calls me an adult with depression, I always see them in the relationship. And I know with 100% certainty that that depression will be a part of the relational dynamic.
Yes.
It belongs to the marriage. It doesn't
Right.
belong to and once you start to know that, and from my perspective, work with that,
Hmm.
help people with that, there's an automatic depathologizing.
Yes.
There's an automatic humanizing.
Right.